let's talk about data structures. A data structure is a way to organize and store data so it can be accessed and modified efficiently. Imagine you have a huge pile of unsorted books. We could throw them all in a box, in the same box, but that's not very efficient when you want to find a specific book later. But if we were to arrange those books in a bookshelf alphabetically by title or author, it would make finding any book much quicker. In programming, data structures are like those bookshelves. They organize the data in a way that it makes easy to access and manipulate. There are many different types of data structures, and they each have different strengths and weaknesses. For example, some are great for fast access, while others are better at quickly inserting or removing the data from the data structure. So they all have their own weakness and strengths.